Look, first of all, welcome at ALPHAMANTRAINING.com live videos, and now we are talking about night game, how to recognize girls who actually will get laid with you in a nightclub, because that ability to see girls' agenda in a club is crucial. In that way you can approach girls with whom you can go outside, go to your place, get physical, and other things. You need to, on training you will see different infield videos with different type of girls in nightclub and how they behave, what is their purpose. So in that way you better will understand what is happening in a club. You will determine categories of girls. You will see wasting time girls, pulling girls, which you can really pull girls, and for example girls who will reject you. Girls who will reject you. Who will reject you? Because there are girls who want you to come to a club, who want to dance with you, who want to get laid with you, who actually is missing a strong alpha man, a man who has the right mindset, who's dressing really well, who can talk to her, and other things. And you are that guy. You are that guy. You can become, and you can become like this, but you need to take action. You will need to go to clubs with us. You will need to read our book, watch DVDs, go to nightclubs, spend money, spend time. The world gives you in return what you put. If you put energy, you put time, you put all your heart into that, the world will give you back. You will receive results. If you're not receiving now results, it means you are not enough doing action, and not enough changing yourself. Not the right coach, not the right training, not the right material around you. That's okay. Need the slide. Because a club, night game starts with your diet. There are a lot of men who are in clubs lazy, drunk, has no energy to seduce girls. They even can't approach. So on training we will train you the proper diet, what diet to use before nightclub, what food to eat, what to drink. that is crucial, because if your diet is not proper, if you will feel lazy, you cannot take enough action. You can't take enough action. You just will be lazy. You will be sleepy, and we will not get results. So everything starts with diet and with sleeping. You will need to take enough rest before night game to actually have energy and not being sleepy on a nightclub. Moreover, before night game, we will have regular dance sessions with female dance assistant. You will try dancing techniques, approaching to kiss techniques, like taking girl that for a kiss. Everything which you will implement those things in a nightclub with a strange girl. So real practice we will do. The next thing is all clubs to approach clubs where are potential girls to pull. We will see, what taste you have in girls, which girls you like, and we will go to those clubs, bars, streets where those girls probably walking, probably sitting around the table talking. We will approach them. If you like some type of women, we will find them on Alphamantraining. For you will feel brave, because you with a coach, with Alphamantraining coach, will together go inside the club. You will go inside the club, will approach some girls who are in a club. Maybe they will be in a group. So you first will approach, then after 1 minute an AMT coach will join you, and you together will execute AMT systems. Once you will be once you will get enough practice, you will execute by yourself, because we on Alphamantraining we will give you homework. Once the night game session will end up, we will do a brief review, of our session, what happened, and we will give you homework. So read our book, How to Become Alpha Man. Watch night game program, How to Dance with a Woman. Then contact with us through the contact, fill up a form. Then you will pay deposit for a boot camp. Then we will fly to you, or you will fly to our city, and we will do training. Or we will pick up a new country, a new city, a new state. That information we will determine on Skype probably, or during emails. We will see. So don't wait, because you're becoming older and older, and to install new knowledge, new mindset becomes much harder and harder. And the time to do it now, it's the best time. It's the best time, because look, if you're not doing that right now, you're losing your time. Trainings and products will never become more cheaper, and the way you now see how much a book costs or DVD, it is the best price now, because it never will be cheaper, because everything becomes more and more expensive. The value of money itself drops down, and That means that training also will never be cheaper than it is right now. So we strongly recommend you to do that. To insert now into cart and pay. Because if you're not learning, other men are learning, investing, and they are getting girls. It is a fight. Who has better knowledge, who has better systems, who has better support, who has the right systems will win. And you can be that guy who will have the right systems and will get best results. So wish you good luck. Invest now. Go to alphamantraining.com, buy that book, pay with your debit or credit card or through PayPal. After that, you will go to my products, will click that book, will read and will watch DVD Night Game Pro How to Dance with a Woman. You will see how we with a female dance assistant slowly show techniques, how to seduce a girl during the dance, and how to take a girl from club to your car or go to her home or your home. So the amazing results waiting you. Invest now. Never afraid and never wait. See you.